say, guys, I just want to get on here and thank everybody for checking out our videos. We'll have a lot more coming. We're just now started getting to run again. We got the big trommel we're going to have down here the next month or so. Just got this one redone. Marty will be down here, and we'll be running to it one time probably. We're going to have some really good videos and a lot of gold. Hopefully we'll have a good bit today. But just want to thank everybody for checking out our channel, and y'all subscribe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to it, and check out our other videos. Check out our Patreon also. We got our Patreon up and going. We got one subscriber, Ed Anderson. Thank you. One shout out to you. He's out of Florida. My first patron, however you say it. Anyway, I want to thank him, and y'all check out our other videos. Check out our Patreon. All right, guys, we got the trommel back down here. It's rebuilt, bigger barrel, new sluice box, new catch pin, all new water things, water nozzles. We completely redone our water system. Everything's redone. We're fixing to get her set back up and running. Guys, this is our place where we're going to put our trommel. This is where we had it before. We're fixing to get the tractor and fix all this up and get the pad fixed up. And we're going to get her set back down here so we can run. It's going to be a good year. We'll have two trommels running. The other one's going to be right there on the hill, on the side of the hill. We're going to run both of them at the same time. We're going to find some gold, guys. And we'll show it to you. Well, there it is, guys. We're fixing to start running. We've got to run and get some gas. We forgot to stop and get gas. And we're in the middle of nowhere. So we're going to unhook the trailer, run and get some gas. We're going to come back and find some gold. And hopefully this thing's going to run good. Got our nozzles on. Hose is hooked up. And we put caps and cut the slits in the caps on those to see what. Found some stuff we got to change. We put the flare back on it with UR mat, Gold Hog UR mat in it, like we had before. We got the same mats up here, except a scrubber and a, I can't remember what that straight up one's called anyway. Razorback, or no, I don't know. Anyway, it's doing okay. It ain't great. We ain't real happy with it yet. Got some dirty rocks coming out every once in a while. Them look good. We've been adjusting on it. I don't know if we got it right yet or not. Looks pretty good there. Let's just dump some more. Here comes some more through. See how that muddy, a little bit muddy coming out. Not bad. Some good looking stuff. This is come off the hill. You can't really see it moving, can you? And I can't show you down here because it's falling in a hole full of water. Like this. Flare's 36 inches wide with full of UR mat. You can see them under the water every once in a while when it clears up a little bit. They do really good. We don't get much gold in them, but every once in a while we get a little bit. Piece here and there. Well, that's good though. We catch most of it up here in these mats. take you around to see the other side. Our spray bars on the top. We don't really like them either. We're going to have to get more spray out of them. Alright, we're back home today. This is our cleanup from yesterday. We didn't run much. We ran like a bucket just to try our trommel out. Anyway, this is our cleanup. I'm cleaning out the mats now. We just brought everything home because the rain come in on us. So we just piled it up, brought it home. I just put some water in this pan to clean these mats out.